morning. It is currently 6 a.m. and I just made a coffee, and yeah, there's a lot to do today, so it's gonna be a busy day, and I will try to take it with me. This is the first time that I am gonna do a project on my own. I am finally getting, I got last week, I got my own primary cells, and yeah, I'm just gonna do an entire experiment from top to bottom by myself, and that's amazing. So I started Friday actually by match gelling plates. So today's Tuesday. Yesterday was a bank holiday, so I didn't have to go. So today I have to go to the lab at about 8:30. Then I have to plate the cells in the match gel wells that I made up last week, and that's it for, I think, today. Yeah, I think that's it. And then I have to send my new draft of my literature review that I have to submit to my supervisor, just so he can check it out and see if he likes it and what he thinks of it and whatnot. So yeah, that is the plan, and I hope you'll enjoy the vlog and hanging out with me for a couple of days. So this is my breakfast. As you can see, I don't eat a lot in the mornings because my acid reflux gets really bad if I walk after I eat, so I have to eat very little. So this is like a third of a bowl, but it's really, really good and very nutritious. Okay, it's almost 8 and I'm preparing to go. I don't think I'm gonna get my laptop today just because I don't think I'm gonna be there for too long. Because of COVID, we're only allowed to be in from 7 to 12:30. That's like one of the shifts that you can make, so I'm not allowed to be there longer than 12:30, and I think I'll be busy pretty much the entire time. I mean, I have to wait a bit when I play my cells, but not insane. So yeah, I'm not gonna take my laptop, but we're just gonna go soon. It's not raining anymore, so I might walk there because I actually really enjoy walking. It's like a 30-minute walk to the hospital, and it's just kind of like my daily morning routine, I guess, and I get to work out a bit as well. So yeah, so I want to show you. So this is my lab book. I don't think we're allowed to kind of show what's inside because it's like the property of the university. So it's like an official lab book, and it has like table of contents, and then you have like files every day, and this is where you like write like all of your protocols over all of your experiments. You have to be very thorough because, again, it's the property of the university, and also it's just important that somebody would be able to completely replicate your experiments just based on this lab book. Yeah, you have to keep it very comprehensive, but so far I don't really have a lot because I haven't started my experiments yet. Like, I'm gonna be starting now, but I have some protocols, nothing crazy, but yeah. And I thought that I could just swing here and explain to you more about the hemocytometer because I realized that I was vague in the video and I didn't get the chance to film it because I was just trying really hard to do it and I failed a couple of times and I was too busy worrying to film. But anyway, I'll put an image here. So a hemocytometer is used to basically count the amount of cells that you have, and you use that in order to plan experiments, because obviously you want the same amount of cells in each well in order to have the same amount of protein, or to have a comparable amount of protein, right, or whatever you're like plating for. So you use that, and how you use it is you just count the cells in each of the quadrants. You have 4 quadrants, and you count that, and then you make an average, and that is how many cells you have multiplied by 10 to the power of 5, and then you use that to calculate how many cells you need and how many milliliters of that solution you need for each of the plates. So yeah, that's basically what it is, and I hope that wasn't too confusing. But yeah, back to the video. It is 6. I finally woke up, made my coffee. Now I'm just gonna take a bit of time to finally wake up like properly, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, get ready, and I'm gonna leave, because today I have to be at the lab half an hour earlier. So usually I go around 8:30. Today I need to be around 8, just because I'm gonna have to be there for like 8 hours. The quicker I go and start, the quicker I can leave. So that's why I'm going a bit earlier. I think I mentioned it yesterday, but today we basically have to drug my cells. So I have to go put TMZ on. I have to defrost the TMZ, which might take a bit, and then put the TMZ on, put it back in the incubator for 4 hours. At the 3-hour mark, I'm gonna go and irradiate my cells. It's only gonna take an hour, and so I'm gonna do it at 3-hour mark. So at 4 hours, both of them are gonna be done, and then I'm gonna lyse the cells and basically start my Western protocol. So yeah, that's basically what's in store. Hope you guys are having a good day, and let's get it. Morning everybody, it's day 3 of filming, and I got ready. I'm about to leave soon. Today we're starting our Western blot, so we did the cell lysis yesterday.
I'm sorry I didn't talk yesterday as much as after I came home because I was so tired, but basically did the cell lysis, and that's needed for the Western blot. So today we're doing the Western. We're doing the gel first, and we're going to transfer to the membrane. We're going to put the primary antibody, and we're going to leave it overnight. That's what we're going to do today. It's going to be a long day, but I think it's going to be fun, and I'm taking you with me, so let's go. Look how much sweat. Oh my god, that's crazy. This is wet. It is currently 3 o'clock and I just finished my meeting and the seminar, and I'm free for the week. I just wanted to come here chat to you about what happened today at the lab. So I did my last part of the Western blot, which is basically you put the secondary antibody in. I might cut this out because I probably explain it in the video as I'm doing it, but you put a secondary antibody in, and you leave that for an hour, then you wash with PBS, and then you basically develop. And I did all of that, and actually, despite breaking the gel 17 times and everything else that I did wrong, it still actually ended up working. I got a decent looking blot that I'm not gonna be able to show you. I'll probably show you when I go on Monday if I don't finish editing this, which I probably won't because I have a crazy weekend ahead. But what I did is, when you finish basically developing, you go back with your films, with your actual blots, and you put it over the membrane, and you basically use the membrane to lay with the blot and tag everything. I know I'm explaining it really badly, but you basically overlay the film over the membrane, and you use the membrane as a example of like where you're supposed to mark everything for the ladder and everything, and I forgot to do that because I was in a hurry to get home, which is like a rookie mistake. But so basically I can't really use these blots because they're not marked. So rookie mistake, it happens, but I'm gonna reprobe them next week, so I'm just gonna do it next week and do it properly. But yeah, but I'm still proud because even though I ripped the gel and everything, it still actually ended up not bad. I got another piece of exciting news. So today I got emailed about an interview for a PhD position at the Institute of Cancer Research in London, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Like, I never would have expected it. And I'm really excited. I'm excited to have a couple of days free. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far, and let's see what I'm up to this weekend.